Bridal makeup. In this series, we are trying to do bridal makeups, how I do it my way when I do it on my brides. In previous video, I have shown you how to do prepping and priming, and today we are going to achieve a flawless base. I'm going to cover my pigmented areas with a sheer concealer, and that is NARS Radiance Concealer. This is a beautiful concealer, works under airbrush and HD makeup both. This helps in cutting the pigmentation. It's a very lightweight formula, and I'm gonna apply it on my neck as well to achieve the same color for both face and neck. Just blending it on the under eye area and on the eyes if you want color correction on the eyes as well. Now I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. If you'll ask me, I'll only say this is a Hollywood glow in a bottle. This looks so good, and you can control the dewiness you want with this filter. Apply a little bit, or just like me, the way I'm applying it, a little extra today. Now for my base, I'm going to use Giorgio Armani foundations. These are very lightweight formula, and right now summers are going on. I quite like this formula for summer. So I'm using it little by little. I've taken it on the back of my hand and applying it. I have applied little dots on the face and now blending it. Don't forget your ears and area near the ear. Now, a key to achieve a less cakey base is not to apply foundation on the under eyes and around the mouth. I only like to work with concealers on these areas. Right now, I am applying a lighter color. First, I did the color correction, and now working with a lighter color. Not applying too much near the eye because I'm just gonna apply a little bit after I'll be done with the blush and contouring. And now for chiseling my face using Tom Ford's contour. I just love this contour. It just blends into the skin just like a butter, and the highlight of this product is dreamy. I am personally a fan of dewiness, but I don't like chunky glitters on face. So I just like to apply it and blend it with a bigger brush. Make sure your lines on the face, like your contour lines, your blush lines, should be well blended and should not look too much and should not be shown as well. It should look like a sunset glow. It should not look like one line is going from here and another line is visible, then your blush line is visible. Don't make it look like that. Push it with a beauty blender like I am doing it over here, and I like to apply a little bit of blush on my lips as well. Now you can see I'm applying my concealer again. Over here I'm not trying to achieve any eye look. These videos are all about base, so you can focus on the base thing. Blending everything nicely again. And that's how we achieve a flawless base, giving some hydration to the face. And in the next video I'm going to set the base with powders. Comment down below what you have liked in this video, and hoping you have subscribed to my channel and already hit the bell icon. So see you in my next video. This is Neha Devgan signing off. Bye bye.